before finalizing the attachment of the combined pole collar and mandarin collar with the blouse or neckline, make sure to check first this one, they are aligned, right? The plackets, so they are aligned. So this one is temporarily stitched with my hands. You see this, that one. So make sure your attachment with this blouse or neckline with this collar are fully or very attached, okay? Because if not, you will repair. It's difficult to repair, okay? So, and the secret is always check after after I temporarily stitch. I don't know if you want to do that. I make sure this one pin, I check like that. If this line is the same line with this one, the collar, so that it will not be short, it will not be long, or else it will not, or else this blouse will go down. So all over the neckline you check between like that. You check at the other side if they are the same this one, okay? So I will stitch now. This is the final stitching to with the attachment of the blouse and the collar. It must be durable, right? So this one, so that it will not move, I stitch it very well with my hands. You see that it's like permanent, right? So it will move. Okay, let's begin. Okay, I don't like my camera to be very bright because it cannot be seen on the actual video publishing. Okay, so I want to start on the middle because this is only a portable. Sometimes very thick cannot will not work. So I will begin on the middle and then go back on the middle. That's my procedure to make it easy. My life will make it easy on sewing. Okay. So the thickness, because this one is very thick, I put the thickness on the 7 first. I'll try if it's good. So it's good. I'm using my foot pedal so I can control, because this one is the final attachment. It's becoming tight again. There, this is the thickness of my portable, becoming thick. What they call that, tight. So I make loosen the thread. Very clear on the camera. I wish on the overseas they will like my sewing. Because on the other channel they will not teach you all. You cannot learn. You will just analyze it by yourself, like I did. There you go. Very tight again. Sorry for that, but this one is still working, so I don't need to buy a new one. Where's my to cut so they will not tangle. Tangling. There you go. Yeah, I did the half again. Okay. Very good. Then I will remove later the temporary stitch. So I will do the other side. That's what I'm doing this, because this one, if I did first on this one, it's very thick and my needle will be broken, so I'm starting at the middle. So this one is the last, and it will eat, the needle will eat, I don't know, my needle like that, like that way. Okay, just a moment. I'm getting the thread inside. I will do the half. I'll move it to 8. Holy crap. 9. There. It's like double stitching. I'm double stitching the part. It will be durable. When you reach the shoulder, you have to round it, the motion. Follow the round shape. Again. Very thick. It's done now. So many thread because that is the temporary. It's done. It's easy, right? it won't move, so it's easy to manage to stitch it. There. You can do double stitching so it will be durable. That is fine. You see what I'm saying here on the shoulder? If you reach this, you have to move like that so it will not tangle. You see, it's beautiful in the outside. You see, it's not wrinkled, right? I will remove the temporary stitch. Of course, I will trim and make it neat. That careful on cutting the temporary. So I'm done with this. So the next video I will show you, because in the Facebook they subscribe, so they are new. Maybe if they cannot do finding the oldest video about the buttons, I will still show that buttons, attaching the buttons here as well as the button holes. So the sleeveless is so easy. I will just lessen here because this one is the measurement of the shoulder. So if you want showing a little bit the skin, I will cut a little bit like that. Okay, it's easy. And then make band here, very easy. And then after making the band, it's like attaching the sleeve. This one is sleeveless, band only. Okay, and then after the band, attaching the band, and then I will show you how to stitch the body here. Okay.